Hi there! Check out this foldable baby play mat made from soft, high-density XPE foam that protects your baby's sensitive skin from hard floors. Its non-slip surface features a small square pattern to keep the mat securely in place during playtime. The mat is 100% waterproof, making spills easy to wipe off and preventing pattern fading for long-lasting use. Thanks to its clever folding design, you can store or carry it effortlessly wherever you go. Measuring 47 by 47 inches, it fits perfectly in baby playpens and doubles as a standalone play area. Plus, it's versatile enough for outdoor activities like picnics, camping, or beach trips. This reversible, portable mat offers safe, comfortable fun for infants and toddlers anytime, anywhere. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.